Hello art friends, how are you? I hope you are doing very well. Today, in this video, I'm doing something a little new. I decided to do like a little review and test of this Paul Rubens watercolor set that I bought off Amazon like a couple weeks ago. I heard great things about this watercolor set and I thought, what a cute container. I mean, it's pink and I love that, so I thought I would treat myself and pick this up. I did think it was also really cool that it came with a pre-made swatch card so that I did not have to make one myself, which can be really time consuming actually, to like measure it and cut it and then label everything. So yeah, that was really cool that that was included. It did take me a little while to take all of these papers off, but it wasn't that bad. They came off pretty easy and the pans came in and out of the container pretty easily, so it was a somewhat painless experience. It just took a little bit of time. So first impressions while I started swatching, I really did like that it did not take much effort for the pigments to activate. I remember purchasing a watercolor set a while ago and I had to like work the water in to the pigment to get it to activate so I could paint with it. This was pretty good, no complaints here. And painting on the swatch card that they provided was pretty good as well. I think that the paper quality is decent. I think that there's a good variety of colors here, so I'm excited to choose a couple to work with today. So I decided to use my toned watercolor sketchbook I picked up about a year ago, and I've been using it for my gouache paintings. Occasionally I'll add in some watercolor or some inks or something, but I've been enjoying using it and I only have a few pages left, so I really wanted to test some watercolor paintings in here before I filled it all the way. So I picked two blues, a green and a yellow, and I also put a little bit of white gouache on my palette so I could see how the pigments mix with the white gouache. It really has been a while since I've done a full-on watercolor painting. I typically mix a small amount of watercolor in with my gouache for like soft flowy backgrounds and stuff like that, so I am a little bit rusty working with straight watercolor. But so far this has been a pleasant experience, so I'm not complaining. I do like how the pigments mixed with the white gouache. I don't feel like there was any weirdness there or anything. The colors still seem vibrant, and I think that it mixed well. I was really happy with that. I could actually really tell when I mixed the yellow in with the white that the pigment was still nice and bright and pretty, and I and I really enjoyed it actually. I also really enjoyed how the dark blue layer of watercolor looked over all of the other layers, including the ones that I mixed with gouache. I think that it turned out really nice, and I liked the variety of opacity I could get. And of course the tape peel, which is super satisfying even when I don't do a good job taping and some pigment leaks through. I still enjoy peeling the tape off, as do many others, I assume. And there we have it, my first almost fully, like 80-90% watercolor painting. I did use that white gouache. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how this came out for being a mostly watercolor painting, which, like I said, it's been a while. I used 2 blue colors, a green and a yellow from this palette. I'll put the color names on the side. I feel like they all worked pretty well together. I don't feel like I got any muddiness. I liked the amount of granulation. It wasn't too grainy. So overall, this was a great experience. I had fun using this set. I'm happy with my purchase, and I just can't get over how cute the container is. And I really did like the limited palette that I chose. I feel like everything worked really well together. And of course, I'm looking forward to making more watercolor paintings with this set. I wanted to thank you guys for watching, and if you like this kind of video from me, please like it so that I know that you liked it, so I'll make more of them. And thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.